case before this court. So I will be recording this, as well as you are supposed to be recording
I am recording
this.
it, and that's all we're doing.
No, we are going to record
No, you're not.
this.
Let me explain to you.
You have not proven that this court is a valid court of law.
Let me explain to you.
Having not
Listen to
proven
what I'm saying.
Consent.
We're not going to be recording in this court. I am going to tell you just one more time, you're not recording in this court.
Are you aware, Richard Carpenter, are you aware of what constitutes personal jurisdiction?
I don't care. This is my court. And this is what we're doing.
This is
Tell me
not
one
your
more time.
court.
Right
You
now, I'm going to
have
hold you in contempt. I'll knock it off. I'm going to hold you in contempt.
This
I'm letting it
court-
go.
This
Now, listen to what I'm telling you.
court has not established jurisdiction.
Well,
This court has to, per the laws of the court of this county, this state, this federal existence, per the laws that you have agreed to, that I have not, right here if you'd like a copy,
well,
you need to establish consent of both parties. And let me also say for the record that I, Amanda Lovell, the flesh and blood being, am the sole owner and administrator of all accounts, securities, trusts, and bonds in the name of Amanda C. Lovell. And anyone or any entity that transacts upon any of those accounts, securities, trusts, or bonds is doing so fraudulently.
Is that
Now,
a
would you
hammer right there?
please? Yes, would you
please
please?
remove it from this court.
No, he does not have to.
Officer?
Excuse me, you have not proved jurisdiction. This is not a court until the judge, oh, excuse me. The court is here.
Please remove that.
The judge has not, he has not established that he has the right to be a judge. He is simply Richard Carpenter at this point. He is just Richard Carpenter. You have not established personal jurisdiction over the fictitious legal entity, Amanda C. Lovell, the alleged defendant in this case. And I here and now counterclaim against this Richard Carpenter, against, hey, he's not even here, against Robert Rice, the arresting officer, and all of the affiliated companies of New York Department of State.
So where do we want to go with this, Ms. Lovell? Right now you are...
Are you referring to the fictitious legal entity?
I'm referring to you. I'm not...
Then my name is Amanda Lovell. You have not proven you have the right to tell me...
Right now I'm going to hold you in contempt.
You do not have the right...
I'm telling you.
I have it right here.
One more time. He's going to listen.
You have not proven that you have the right to judge in this matter. You have not proven personal consent. You have not proven personal jurisdiction. You also, I have a case in Elizabethtown Court against Richard Carpenter, against Robert Rice, and against New York State Police and all affiliated corporations, of which you are an employee of, which proves that there is bias, and again, under the laws of the court, that you have sworn an oath to, you do not have the right to proceed. And being that both, well, again, Robert Rice, the arresting officer, is not here, so I'm not sure where that is, but both of you have bias. So there is no judge in this case. There is an open case, which now has claims against it. I, Amanda Lovell, and the fictitious legal entity, Amanda C. Lovell, do here accuse Robert Rice, who is not present, Richard Carpenter, of, again, contract fraud for the second time, and let's see, for you, racketeering for, that would be Richard Carpenter, racketeering for Robert Rice, and contract fraud and false arrest. And let's see what else. I will be conjoining the suit that is in Elizabethtown, which is CV14-0119, with this case number, whatever Richard Carpenter stated before. And this court, in 1 month's time, will be a court of natural law, where all the parties in both the action and the case that is here before us today will be meeting, and an unbiased mediator will be chosen. This case is over. Thank you very much. We will meet in 1 month's time. All right, guys.
At this point, I was taken into custody, and I was held in a back room for approximately an hour and a half while I guess they figured out what they were going to do with me. The judge proceeded, or I should say Richard Carpenter, proceeded to issue an order of contempt against me. I was taken to the correctional facility in Lewis, New York, where I was in solitary for 6 days. I was released on Monday the 9th, and I am proceeding to pursue judgments against all of those who have caused me harm, and stay tuned to see what happens. Thanks.